What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another motovlog. We're at a private track today, my buddy Jacob's track. This is our first lap, just kind of rolling around. The dirt looks insanely good. I'm really excited to try and learn it, try to ride it. It goes into the woods. The soil's like all sandy. That's probably the one that scares me the most. That double is looks beefy, and if you case it, won't be good, man. A little slicking through here. Oh my god. I don't know what I just hit. Front end just went absolutely insane. Oh, okay. That thing is way smaller than I thought. I can hit some of these jumps, but I'm just not comfortable hitting most of these. A track like this is scary to me. Oh, wrong gear. God, it scares the shit out of me. Ah! I just got to get it out of my head. Alright, I'm an absolute baby when it comes to learning jumps and the speed I need to hit them. So Jacob's gonna hit it on my bike, kind of tell me how fast. That was third, but you're going pretty fast in third.
Yeah, I just stayed on it, just like half the auto.
Okay. Alright.
It's kind of high in the RPMs.
Alright, I keep coming up just a little bit short. Gotta go a little bit faster. Ah, see, more. What am I doing? I think it's like the same spot every time. Man, that thing is intimidating, dude. That was much better. Finally. Little OJ. That one's so big. No way I'm touching that thing. Alright, that was scary. Full bucket mode on that one. Ah, he's trying to lead me. Damn it.
I mean, that's the same with this double. Like, if we go over there real quick, before you start, I'll show
This
you.
thing.
I can hit it so slow.
But don't, at the end, don't do that. All right, I'll follow you over. So Jacob's like pro motocross license level rider. He's trying to show me the jumps on his track, the speed to go. All right, that looked like nothing. He makes it look like nothing, especially on a two-stroke. It's so quiet, and I'm just so afraid of it because it's such like a peaky double that if you come up short, you're gonna break your ankles.
That was like no speed.
Yeah, it didn't look bad. Nah, dude, it just scares the shit out of me. Alright, D-Rag, you got this level. Yes! Fuck yes! And I overshot a little bit. Hell yeah. Woo!
Oh man, what?
No. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. This is probably the most intimidating double that I've ever hit. Look at this thing. It's like a legitimate wall, dude. So it feels good to accomplish that. Not solely on my own. I got someone helping me out here, towing me in. Hell yeah. Heck yes, dude. Thank you, buddy. Greatly appreciate your help. Must be nice to be so good at dirt bike riding. He just cruises around, doesn't have to think about it. It's truly humbling when you can't keep up with someone and they're just putting along. Like, Jacob's not even trying. Land sideways on that sketches me out. That's why I haven't been hitting that. Okay, first time I did it by myself. Whoa, Jay.